Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Epic Games not loading. In this video, we'll show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher not loading. First, open the Task Manager by right-clicking your taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once it opens, look for Epic Games Launcher in the list of running apps. If you can find it, use the search box at the top, type it in. When it appears, right-click and select End Task to completely close the launcher. Try reopening Epic Games Launcher. If it still doesn't load, press the Windows key, type Run, and open the Run app. In the box, type this and hit OK. This will open your local app data folder. Locate the Epic Games Launcher folder, open it, go to the Save folder, then find and delete the WebCache folder. This clears temporary cache files and is safe to delete. Restart the launcher and see if it works. If it still doesn't, the final step is to uninstall and reinstall Epic Games Launcher. Right-click the Windows icon, select Installed Apps, search for Epic Games Launcher, click on Install. Once removed, open your browser, go to the official Epic Games website, download the latest installer, and reinstall the launcher. This method should fully resolve loading issues. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.